We have a guest today. This is little Beyonce. Beyonce! Beyonce! No. Come here, Beyonce. Oh, here comes Binks. Oh God. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm worried that the babies are gonna scratch her. Oh no! Oh no!
It's okay, baby boy.
We're puppy sitting today, and this is the first time the cats are interacting with a dog. Blair is in her hiding spot up at the window, but Binks is pretty curious. Hi, Beyonce. This is Mike's new puppy.
Hey, yo.
So we're puppy sitting for the day. You're in the way, honey. You are. There's a video about the puppy. Beyonce.
I didn't realize he's gonna bring her over this relationship back.
Come over here.
Hi. She's so excited.
And she is. Because it's a new place. It's a new place. Beyonce is... No, my goodness. Beyonce's part black lab, part Portuguese water dog. Make sure the lid's closed.
Yeah, it's close.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
You should film Binks. He's interesting right now, too.
Oh! Hey, Binks. What is that? Are you gonna go hide? Are you freaking out?
What's up, little girl? What? Want some of your own foods?
So there's Binks. There's Blair. But yeah, they are just like, what is in our house? It's the same color as us, but it's different. You look like an owl. Binks looks like an owl. Beyonce! Beyonce!
Want some snacks, monkey?
Hello, look, it's my foot. Whoa, careful. Ah.
Why?
Do we want her on the bed? Is Michael allowing
Yes,
her?
of course he is.
Beyonce! Hi! Hello, sweetie! Hi, pretty face. Oh, you're so cute.